well, here we are on the way to Snetterton. We've got Carlos driving, obviously. You could work that out for yourselves, I suspect.
Hey.
Well, Carl, what's going to happen?
Well, yeah, we've just left. We're on our way to Snetterton for the next round of the PSRC Championship. All ready to go with a few little tweaks. Yeah, that's it. So hopefully we'll have a good weekend. The forecast is looking sunny, dry, so all looking good. So I think we should just ring Nick Bowler, the guru, because he's been thinking about what we should be doing for the weekend. See if he's got any thoughts.
I shouldn't be in charge of a camera.
He shouldn't be in charge of anything. Anyhow, success.
Yeah.
Hello?
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 Hello, Mr. Bowler. Oh,
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Right, we're just on the video log at the moment.
Yeah.
And you're
so
on it now.
We've just introduced you. Don't worry about that. We've just introduced you, and we've told the audience that you went to bed last night really thinking hard about what we can do so we can go quicker. And now I'm just ringing you to find out what that is.
You just got to press your right foot down a bit further.
Right, okay, that's it then, is it? That's the advice?
That's it, yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
well, unless you can give me any more advice apart from stick your foot down longer.
Well, make sure Dickie's up in the morning.
Oh, right, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, you've got to be up in the morning.
And make sure the wheels are tight.
Oh, you had to bring that in, didn't you?
Oh, we've got the checklist for that.
And we don't got an extra box at the bottom. Is Dickie here yet?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Anyway, on that note, thanks for your help.
Yep.
We'll
No worries.
speak to you later.
Yeah, cheers.
See you,
Bye.
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 So here we are, we've arrived at Snetterton. One of the first here. There's a test day going on with something else. Mr. Pattermore, who actually is our supplier of food, drink, tea, shots, whiskey, beer, is
That's nice to know.
You haven't got any milk in it, Steve?
yeah, our main sponsor. So we're now just about to unload and get the awning set up. Oh, that's our, I don't know whether we've done this one before, but this is our best bit of kit, the checklist, which we just tick off everything we do prior to going out, left hand side mainly, and so that when we're sitting on the grid, at least you know the wheels are tight, the pressures are done, the fuel's full, etc, etc. Well, that's the third time out. Not quite sure of the times, it was a bit busy on the circuit, so you can't really get a genuine lap time, but felt good. Made a few adjustments, new rear brake pads, we got new tyres for tomorrow for qualifying, and no point in going round and round and round and wearing yourself out, or wearing the cart out, not to mention yourself. So that's enough for us today. We're not going to do the last session. We'll just prep it now ready for qualifying, which is about 3 o'clock tomorrow. Perfect. Let's hope the weather stays.